G'day there legends, welcome back to the Commodore garage. Just a bit of an update of what's been going on. Old bucket here is about to collapse, not made for my weight. Anyway, yeah, just been doing some stuff, haven't done a lot on the VL lately. Had a bit of an eye operation happening. Yeah, old bugger's getting a bit blind, so it's still a bit blurred, but it's got to be careful I don't do too much getting his shit in it. But in saying that, I have been doing a couple of little things in the garage. But not anything on the VL, which will be starting again coming up, hopefully this week. I want to get back into it. I've been waiting on some parts, sort of put me on the back burner a bit, and as well as, like I said, the eyeball. Anyway guys, just an update on feature videos. I'm going to start a new channel called REVHEADS NATION. Keep an eye out for it on the tube. It will be up soon. That's going to be about all things besides Holden's. So Holden's features will be on the Commodore garage page. Drag racing, street meets, all sorts of stuff, you name it, interviews, anything car related, souped up, hotted cars, it's going to be on REVHEADS NATION. So keep an eye out for that one coming. I've already made the channel, just got to finish it off and start putting some content on it. Anyway, that's enough for me from rabbiting on at the moment. So cheers from the Commodore garage. See you around. So something funny for you guys. The missus washes the car out here last night. Bless her. Says to me later on, "Hey Ross, can I put the car in the garage tonight, please?" I said, "Did you notice the shit in the shed on the floor?" She goes, "No, I didn't notice." I said, "Well, come out and have a look." She puts her head in there and says, "Oh, can't that stuff go around the back outside?" I went, "Yep, I can sort it out for you," which I will. Happy wife, happy life, they say. But anyway, I've got to find a posse for them because she wants the car back in here. That's how it is. Well, what have we got here? It's Ross's shit show. This is a mess, this garage at the moment. Explain about the tyres and rims in a sec. There's the VL over there. Just waiting for me to get stuck back into it, which is going to happen this week. I've had to put things on hold a little bit from an eye operation I had a little bit back, but I've had the chance to do a couple of feature videos in the interim. Lancer out on the driveway, Mitsubishi Lancer getting a paint job for a family member. Yeah. She's a bit of a mess. The bonnet and the roof's always getting painted. You can see she's got some serious swirls on the bonnet, like someone's sanded it down. And the roof, definitely someone sanded it down. You'll see a photo of that. There's my Ford Ranger out there, Tickford Enhance. That's the fishing, bush bashing, touring, general enjoying life machine. And yes, she might look smick from here, but she's definitely striped up. Been around Australia full lap once, half a lap once, and up and down the WA coast many times. Tyres and rims everywhere, guys. So what's the story behind them? Well, these are the Tickford rims. This one's off the Tickford Ranger. These are 20-inch rims and tyres. They weren't my choice, or not my preference. I wouldn't have had 20-inch tyres on it. That's what come with the car when I bought it. I would have gone 18, much more practical. This one's off and ready for the tyre to come off the rim with those nice tyre levers and rubber mallet and a bit of detergent there, which, believe me, you'll break a sweat real easy. These fucking things are so hard to get off, those low profile tyres. That there, where that little scratches, marky thing there, that's where it's cracked, and it's cracked twice now. That's from doing off-road stuff. Low profile tyres doesn't help when you're doing off-road stuff, going over big limestone stuff at Sandy Cape. Here's the set I picked up last week, set of 4 rims and tyres. Tickford rims are about 1,000 each. I actually picked the whole set up for less than that. I'm not sure about the breed of tyres, the brand, how they are, what they're like, how they're going to go. They've got about 85% tread on them. Rubber's rubber for me at the moment. These ones have got the BF Goodrich KO2s on them. They give you some awesome kilometres. This one and the set on the cast on heats. But anyway, that rim is going to replace that rim, and it's going to go back on that machine out the back. Then we're going to go and do some fishing. Subscribe and like, legends, to help me keep the content coming.
So let's just keep right.